morning to one and all. All of us are familiar with the proverb, health is wealth. Today's world is a world of digital technology. In this world, most of us are behind electronic devices. As a result, we are less involved in physical activities. This results in various life-threatening diseases. The complete harmony of body and mind is health. It is health that really matters, not pieces of gold and silver. Physical fitness is the prime requirement for happiness. Health is the biggest wealth for a human being. Health is something that we can't buy with money, but we can take care of it and cure it with the help of money. Being healthy should be a part of overall lifestyle. Living a healthy life can prevent chronic diseases and long-term illness. Feeling good about ourselves and taking care of our health are important for self-esteem. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for our body. There are several art forms which give importance to physical fitness. Before going deep into this, let us invoke the blessings of God through a prayer song.
His voice can be heard in the roaring of breakers that crash on the shore. His splendor is seen in the morning as sunlight is coming once more. His love can be seen in the children who romp in the playground in spring. His beauty is found in the faces of all who can smile and sing. Arise and come, the Lord is here. Arise, my friend. He comes to share with you a life that never ends.
The word yoga originates from the Sanskrit word yuj, which denotes to join or unite. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's body, mind, and soul. It brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It also helps us to reduce stress and anxiety.
Tadasana. Trigonasana. Veerabhadrasana. Vrikshasana. Padmasana. Shishuvasana. Bhujangasana. Shalabhasana. Dhanurasana. Naugasana. Matyasana. healthy.
Zumba dance is a fitness program that combines the Latin and international music with dance moves. Zumba dance is great for weight loss and coordination of our body.
Natyobits is an art form. It is a mixed form of classical dance and yoga. It is practiced among dancers to make them fit.
Exercise daily and remain healthy.
Do exercise daily and remain healthy.